Hi guys, Mr. New Mobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, are you tired of seeing that annoying storage full message every time you try to send an email or take a new photo? It's super frustrating, right? But what if I told you that you can fix this in under 60 secs and recover gigabytes of free space without deleting a single important memory? Stick with me. This hidden trick is blowing minds and most people still don't know it exists. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to clean up your Google account and stop Gmail storage full warnings forever. Let's dive in. Grab your phone and follow along. First, open the Google app on your phone. Tap your profile picture at the top right. Now tap Manage your Google account. Next, tap on Data and Privacy. Scroll down a little and tap Apps and Services. Then select Content saved from Google Services or Saved content from Google Services. You're on the right track. Keep going. Scroll down and tap Photos. Now, tap the three dots at the top right and select Desktop version or Desktop site. Zoom in if needed and tap the cloud icon you see. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see Recover Storage. Convert existing photos and videos to Storage Saver. Tap Learn More. Read it quickly, then check the box to agree. Finally, hit the big button. Compress selected photos and videos or compress existing photos and videos. Boom. Google will now compress your old high-quality photos and videos into a more efficient format. This can free up a lot of space, sometimes several gigabytes. Don't worry, your photos will still look great for everyday use. You're not losing quality in a noticeable way, but you're saving massive storage. This trick works because most of us have thousands of photos backed up in original quality that are eating up space. Extra tips plus urgency pro tip. After this finishes, it may take a few hours. Also check your Gmail trash and spam, and consider switching future backups to storage saver mode. Hundreds of thousands of people are still stuck with storage warnings, but now you won't be one of them. If this just saved you from buying extra Google One storage, do me a favor, smash that like button right now. Comment done below if you successfully freed up space. I want to see how much you recovered. Share this video with anyone whose Gmail is always complaining about storage. You've got this. Go free up that storage right now. I'll see you in the next one.